Hey guys, Squint here, long time no see. Today, first of all, I'm working with a new camera and a different type of tripod, so maybe a little bit of back and forth here. Things may not be in the frame, but I found a challenge lock sitting behind my desk over there while I was cleaning up, so I haven't done a picking video in a while, so we're gonna work on this one. It's called Seppuku by West Coast Picks. Gotta push it in a little bit to get it to turn. It seems like it's hung up, but works smooth once you push the key in. Oh goodness. There's the crazy key bitting on there, as always, from West Coast Picks. Alright, got that loaded in there. Zoom it in. Okay. We're gonna work some top of the keyway tension. There we go. Let me get a little shotgun in the bottom of here. And let's go clockwise with it. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. Back the lock. Little click out of 5, maybe 6. Small little clicks coming up the stack. I think I got a good click there on 2. Little movement on 3. Another little click out of the back. There's a little movement there out of the back. Small little movement out of 1. It's a counter there on 3. Four looks good. 5. All right, we gotta figure this one out on 3. It's giving us a weird heavy spring feel. Okay, good click on that. Came back up, touched 2, I think. That went up. Give me my false set still. Oh, there's some crunches. Big deep false set. Back of the lock still feels good. There's some counter there. We gotta be close. Just with that deep false set. Don't feel anything giving me any feedback. All right, let's see. 1 feels good and solid. 2. Maybe 3. There it goes. I had to wiggle 3 home a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Hopefully that was a good enough video for you guys. Comeback video. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Take this bad dude out of here. You can see that we have it open. And let's go ahead and get it gutted so you guys can see what's inside this little lock. Okay, we have the key, so we're gonna lock it back up. Works really good. Let's get the back off of here. shim. Okay, still in frame. Everything was in there. Beautiful. Everything is working. 1, 2, looks like standard. 3, come on out of there. Another little standard. 4, that one's had some work. 5, standard. 6, standard. A couple of the key pins, looks like 1 and 4 have had work done to them. Maybe some undercutting on 3 and 6. Maybe. All right, let's see what we had up top. Let's see. Yep. One nice little barrel spool. Looks like a steel spring. 2, little standard copper spring. 3, oh yeah, that had a huge spring in it. That may not come out. Let's look. We'll look at it at the end. That seems to be stuck down in there, so let's give it a little. Looks like it's just something got stuck down in there. All right, let's keep going. That's a standard with copper spring. And then 4 seems to be another little spoolish type pin. So right now we have the spring and pin 6. It's moving. I don't know if it's meant to be stuck in there. Like if you can see up in here, the pin's in there and it moves like it goes. There's that real heavy duty spring. It looks like it's starting to come out. But then pin number 6 is down in there too, and it moves. Like you can push on it and feel the springiness. So I don't know if that was by design to stay in there. Not sure. Oh, there's that thick spring. So you guys can see that one. You definitely could feel that. That's definitely like some type of lighter maybe. But it seems that pin number 6 is in there. Well, we'll just leave it. Doesn't look like there's been any work done to the core. There's a weird hole drilled here in the cylinder itself, but it doesn't look like anything touched the cord in there. Oh well, let's zoom in and look at these pins that I was able to get out. Beautiful work. This is pin number 1, key pin. Nice little spool here, steel spring. 2, looks standard with a copper. 3, standard driver or key pin. This is heavily serrated. That was the one that opened us up, I think. I was just trying to work past those couple serrations. Then 4, you had a nice, beautiful key pin here. Looks like there's another little tabletop spool here. And then in 5, looks like both of these are standard pins. 6, not sure what this pin is. It's still in the cylinder here. It is springy, so it's still, it's just weird. I don't know what benefit that would give you for not allowing it to come out. Maybe it's just stuck on the spring. Yeah, we'll see. If I get it out, I'll show you guys in like a photo or something like that. But yeah, that's what we had on awesome key bitting here by West Coast Picks. There was the key bitting. Here was the lock, Seppuku. Pinned up 124.9. Not sure. Maybe. Whatever. Maybe 2019 or 1/2. Yeah, maybe that's 1/2. 1/2/2019. So cool. All right, guys. Well, this is Squint. I appreciate you sticking by with me, and maybe I'll make a couple more videos here and there. All right, we'll talk to you later. Thanks.